Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.
Hi there, this is Loy Macedo speaking to you from loymacedo.com. Who is Loy Macedo and Think Personal Branding? Today, the date is here in Thailand. It's 3rd August 2020. It's a Monday. Now, as I was going through my emails, I suddenly got this email just pop up. And the email was sent to me. I'll just open the email. It was sent to me via a gentleman named Asif Raza. Okay. And the title of the email was Urgent Video 3617, video footage of Indian expats in Oman protests. And in that, Asif Raza, he writes, Hi, I am Asif Raza. My father, Murtuza Khan, was working in Al Turki Enterprises LLC in AC ducting work. I'm not in touch with him since 18th July. His phone is switched off. He used to tell us about the issues happening there. On 13th July 2020, you have uploaded a video on your channel with the title Video 3617, video footage of Indian expats in Oman protests. In the video, you have attached few clips of labor protests in Al Turki Al Tasneem, Oman. On 50 on the 15th minute of that video, my father is there with a red shirt, laying down on the floor unconscious. I wish to talk to you if you have anything which might help me to know more about the things going on there with the Indian laborers. I appreciate that you have uploaded the videos and raised the issue. For your reference, I'm attaching my dad's details also. So here he shared his father's photograph, and then he shared his passport details, which obviously I will not show. And he shared a link of the video. Now here, ladies and gentlemen, I have Asif Raza on video, on Zoom. Okay. I've asked him to speak to me, and I will be asking him questions and he'll be answering. And this is live. I'm doing it right now. And after this session is done, I'm uploading it. And this video is a request to the Oman government, to the Indian consulate, to the Indian politicians, to anybody in Oman who can help bring Ali Raza's father back home. So I'll ask him a few questions so that we understand what exactly is going on, because personally for me, I do not know anything what is going on. So Ali, welcome. Thank you very much for coming on the video call. Ali, I want you to speak both in Hindi and in English so that people in India as well as people who speak English can understand. So Ali, please first tell us something about yourself.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम आसिफ रज़ा है। मैं बिहार बेगूसराय से हूँ। बाय प्रोफेशन आई एम अ इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर, बट मैं एक बहुत ही गरीब बिलो मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करता हूँ, जो बिहार में रहती है। हम लोग एक अच्छी लाइफ के लिए बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं। मेरे पापा ने डे नाइट हार्ड वर्क लेबर करके मुझे एक इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर बनाया है, और आज ऐसी न्यूज़ देखकर ये बिल्कुल पेनफुल है। मतलब एक आदमी जिसने आपको बनाया, उसको आप ऐसा देखो तो बुरा लगता है।
Okay, Asif, I will say in English because my Hindi is really terrible. Okay, so you have to excuse me. So now, Asif, you're from Bihar, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
I'm from Bihar, Begusarai. Yeah.
Okay, how old are you? What is your age?
My age is 25.
25. Okay. You have brothers and sisters in your family?
No, I am single child.
You're the only child. And what is your father's name?
My father's name is Mohammad Murtuza Khan.
Okay. Can you tell us something about Mohammad Murtuza Khan? Where is he right now? What happened to him?
He was there in Al Turki Al Tasneem company in Oman. He was doing AC ducting work there from last more than 8-9 years, I think.
From 8-9 years?
8-9 years. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a really long time for a person to be in one company. Yeah.
And during the 8 9 years, did he go to Oman and come back for holiday, or he used to just
Yeah. After every 2 year, he used to come for, I think, 1 month, 1 month
okay?
or
He
two
used to
months.
okay.
Yeah.
Now all those years, this 10 years. Now today is
Yeah.
2020, so let's assume from 2010 he was working in Oman.
Yeah.
Until then, was there any
Correct.
problems? Did they have any problems?
No, he was telling me everything, around like 5 6 months back things. Like
Okay,
food quality is not good. They are giving only, chana and milk, like that
okay.
things.
So until
Salaries they are not giving.
okay, wait.
Company goons are coming.
Okay, let's get this. So 10 years that he worked means
Yeah,
9 years there was no problem. 9 years they were getting
there was
salary on
no
time.
problem.
Okay, they were
Yeah,
getting salary
everything
on
was fine.
time.
Yeah,
He was telling you any problems? No, there was no problems.
there was no problem before that.
Okay, for
From
nine
last
years.
6 months,
Okay, 9 years there was nothing. 9 years, 6 months. Now six
yeah,
months ago, some problem
yeah,
happened. Now tell me what happened
yeah.
last 6 months.
See, my family generally they don't share each and everything to me
Say in
because they
Hindi
think
also,
like
so
I'm a
people can
student.
understand. Say in Hindi also.
Uh, पापा कुछ भी शेयर नहीं करते थे ज्यादातर चीजें कभी कभी जब वो हम एक्चुअली मैं पापा से ज्यादा बात नहीं करता हूँ जनरली हम पापा से अपने फादर से ज्यादा चीजें खुल के बात नहीं करते तो 6 महीने पहले लगभग उन्होंने ये कहना शुरू किया कि सैलरी कम मिल रही है जितना पे बात होती थी सपोज अगर 100 रुपए पे बात हुई है सपोज तो उन्हें 80 रुपीज मिलते थे या उससे कम मिलते थे लाइक दैट अभी रमजान के टाइम पे मुझे क्लियरली याद है उन्होंने कहा था कि हमें खाने के लिए अच्छी कुछ भी नहीं मतलब वैसा कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है जो मिलना चाहिए। अ, उनको चना और दूध मिल रहा था। उन्होंने मेंशन किया चना और दूध मिल रहा है लाइक दैट। देन
Okay. So to
अराउंड 2
understand,
मंथ बैक
okay, I'll just say it in English. What you just said, that
या
6 months ago is where the problem started. 6 months ago, he started to
एक्चुअली
tell you that
5-6 मंथ
yeah, 5 6 months that salary was not coming on time, or salary if it was
या
100
सैलरी
dirhams now, sorry, 100,
या
if the salary was 100 whatever Omani riyals, they were paying 80 or they were paying less. And then during
या
Ramzan, where people have to fast in this heat,
या
they were
या
giving only chana, that is
करेक्ट
pulses with
चना एंड
milk.
दूध
Okay,
या
all right, then what happened?
देन फ्रॉम लास्ट 2 मंथ 3 मंथ ही यूज्ड टू मेंशन लाइक कंपनी गून्स आर कमिंग
Company
कंपनी के
goons are
गुंडे
coming.
आते हैं हाँ, गुंडे
Who
आते हैं, वो मार मारते हैं लेबर्स को, फोर्स करते हैं,
who's this? Is this the
कोविड-19 के
police?
पेशेंट
Did they say it's the police or who?
दे हैवंट सेड पुलिस, दे सेड कंपनी के गुंडे, आई डोंट नो, आई आल्सो डोंट नो, इट्स लाइक
Company ke gunde.
मीन टू से
That is just
या,
to translate companies goons, appointed goons. Okay, so
करेक्ट,
some people used to come and beat. Then what happened?
या, सो आई थिंक बिफोर अराउंड 12 or 10 of July, he said, uh, some goons has beaten badly to one labor, very badly.
Okay, so let's understand this. 10th of July. 10th of July, you said. He
Somewhere around
around
that, maybe
okay,
2 days back or
around somewhere there. Okay,
yeah.
some goons came to beat a laborer. You can say in
हाँ,
Hindi
they have
also.
beaten him badly.
Okay,
उनको बहुत बुरी तरह से मारा किसी लेबर को।
okay,
एट दैट टाइम वो लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे बैड फूड के लिए, सैलरी कम के लिए और दोज हु डोंट वांट टू वर्क एंड वांट टू कम बैक टू इंडिया। तो इट वाज अ मिक्स्ड प्रोटेस्ट बिकॉज़ ऑफ मिक्स्ड रीजन।
okay.
सारी चीजों को मिलाकर या
Okay, now I'll repeat once again. So what happened is few on July 10th, July 10th or July 12th, one of those days, some guy, some group of people came and beat up one guy very badly. And because of this, everyone got very angry and they could not take it anymore. The bad food, the bad salary, the bad working conditions, and you're getting people who are bullying you like this, beating you. So people had a mixed protest. That is the videos that we seen, the protest breaking, shouting, screaming.
करेक्ट,
Okay, fine.
करेक्ट।
Then what happened? Did he call you, or how did he communicate this message?
ही वी यूज्ड टू डू आईएमओ कॉल्स।
Okay. So
हम
he used
आईएमओ
to
पे बात करते थे।
Okay. What did he tell you in the calls?
फर्स्ट थिंग तो वी यूज्ड टू से मीन्स जब हम बात करते थे तो हम उनसे कंफर्म पूछते थे कि प्रोटेस्ट में आप एक्टिव तो नहीं है ना, आप आगे नहीं है ना किसी चीज में। तो ही यूज्ड टू बी इन हिज रूम ओनली। इन द कैंप दे हैव देयर रूम्स, कैंप में उनके रूम होते हैं, तो वो रूम में होते थे और हम वीडियो कॉल कर रहे होते थे। और हमने उनको एक दो बार बोला भी कि बाहर क्या हो रहा है दिखलाइए। तो ही यूज्ड टू शो अस लॉट ऑफ लेबर यूज्ड टू बी देयर, दे यूज्ड टू मेक लाइंस। वो लोग लाइन में लगे रहते थे और वापस जाना चाहते थे तो बैग, उनके जो भी बैग्स होते हैं ना, लगेजेस,
Hmm.
उनके साथ लाइन में खड़े होकर दे वांट टू कम बैक टू इंडिया। तो आई वाज
Okay.
लाइक
Now your
आप
father,
पार्टिसिपेट मत करो।
your father is not a violent person. He was not the
वेरी
shouting
काम,
type. He is
ही
very
वाज
calm.
वेरी
How
काम।
how old is your father? How old is your father?
पापा की एज 45 अप्रॉक्स,
Takriban, like approximate.
तकरीबन। या
Okay, fine. Okay, then.
तो वो वीडियो में हम लोगों को दिखलाते थे कि देखो लोग लाइन लगा के खड़े हैं इंडिया जाने के लिए। तो हम बोलते थे कि आप आगे नहीं है ना, तो वो दिखाते देखो मैं रूम में हूँ बोल के। तो
Okay.
एक दिन आई थिंक 13th को उनका फोन आया। 13th को उन्होंने बोला कि मुझे चोट लगी है, मैं वॉशरूम जा रहा था, मुझे भी चोट लग गई है, मुझे भी मारा है किसी ने।
Okay, wait,
घबराना
wait.
नहीं,
Okay,
न्यूज़
wait.
न्यूज़ पे
So
देखना तो घबराना
13th,
नहीं।
okay, wait. 13th, your father said that I've got hurt. I'm going to the washroom. I've got hurt. Someone hit him?
ही सेड कुछ
Okay. He
लोग थे
said someone
उन्होंने
hit
मारा।
him. Okay.
या घबराना नहीं, मैं ठीक हूँ।
Okay. Did he show you a photograph? What happened? Did he show any hurt or anything?
नो,
Okay.
ही डिडंट सेंड मी एनी फोटो
Now, when you
ओनली।
came to know
या
this, tell me what was going through your mind? What was going through your mother's mind?
वी ऑल वर सो मच वरीड अबाउट दिस थिंग। नेक्स्ट डे 13th वी वर ओके।
Hmm.
हमें लगा कि उन्होंने बोला चोट लगी है तो लगी है बोलकर थोड़ी बहुत लगी होगी। 14th को मेरे एक फ्रेंड ने मुझे तेलंगाना से, वो तेलंगाना में रहता है, उसने एक न्यूज़ आर्टिकल मेरे को भेजा। न्यूज़ आर्टिकल कोई न्यूज़ पेपर का था। उसमें उनकी एक फोटो आई थी विद द सेम टॉपिक्स लाइक फूड्स नहीं मिल रहा है, कंपनी में लेबर्स प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, उसमें लेबर्स को गूंस ने मारा है करके उनकी
Do you
हालत बहुत
have
खराब
do
है,
you
ऐसा
have this clipping?
तेलुगु।
Do you have this screenshot?
आई 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 हैव।
Okay, I
इट
will
वाज
be
इन
sharing
तेलुगु।
it. Okay, I'll be sharing. So
इट वाज
someone
इन
from
तेलुगु।
someone from Telangana send you
या
an e-news screenshot or e-news link showing it was your father. It was your father on the screen.
करेक्ट, it was my father. The
Okay,
same day pic it was there. The video which is like in your phone, which you uploaded now,
okay,
same video it was.
okay. So it was a link. Okay, then what happened?
At that time we got so much worried, but he was in touch with us. So he said, "Don't worry, it is not very much like it was. I got hit, but it was not very much painful and all. It was
Okay,
bearable. I'm
okay.
okay. Don't get worried." At that
Okay,
time he
so
said,
he's telling you not to get worried because he doesn't want you to be afraid and panic,
"Correct.
especially you and your mother.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, generally he don't share anything. If there was a problem before that also, I don't know, but he don't share any problem to me
okay,
generally. Yeah.
okay.
So he said, don't worry.
Hmm.
But what happened from 18th, we haven't like we didn't got any call daily in daytime. Daily he used to call me 3 times,
Hmm.
at least 3 times, 2 to 3 times.
Hmm.
For 2 2 minutes at least we used to talk.
Hmm.
From 18th, I haven't got a single call of him.
Hmm.
एक भी कॉल नहीं किया उन्होंने 18th से। आई थिंक 19th 20 we started getting worried, and then 23 I we thought something is bad, something happened,
Hmm.
because daily the person who is calling you 3 times daily, and if it is not coming for 3 days, you will get worried.
Hmm. Okay. Now, have you reached out to anybody in the Indian Embassy, the Indian Consulate? Have you reached out to anyone?
Yeah, from 23 we started mailing to Indian Embassy and Ministry of External Affairs, and whoever we thought we can, mail, we can get help from someone like that.
Hmm.
So we started mailing them,
What
and
was the
we got
response?
um, reply from Indian Embassy. They said that he has been detained in Nijwa police station. His camp was in Nijwa.
Okay, so
The place name
they
was Nijwa.
responded by saying he is detained in Nijwa police station. Okay.
Yeah, on the charges of damaging the company property and vandalization.
Okay. So a peaceful man, a man who
Yeah,
never caused anyone any problem, who never shared any problems with the family, who looked after
correct.
you. Okay.
Yeah,
They have jailed a man without giving him food, without paying his salary on time, torturing him, not allowing him to go back. And on top of that, they beat him. And after that, they have jailed him and they have stated that he has vandalized the property.
yes.
Do you believe? Here's my question to you. You can say in Hindi and you can say in English. Do you believe your father can hurt or harm anybody?
नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल बिलीव नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि वो बहुत पीसफुल लोगों की मदद करने वाले थे, पीसफुल बात करते थे। और मैं चूँकि सी आजकल टेक्नोलॉजी है, तो हम 3 बार बात कर रहे हैं आईएमओ पे, वो हमेशा अंदर रहते थे। हमको दिखाते थे कि देखो बाहर प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है ऐसा। कमरे से बाहर आकर मोबाइल पे वीडियो दिखाते थे कि प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है। हमको बोलते भी थे कि आप नहीं आना, क्योंकि उनका एक्चुअली ही वाज़ सपोज्ड टू कम बैक। हिज़
Hmm.
टाइम वाज़ आल्सो ओवर।
Hmm.
उनका टाइम पीरियड जो होता है कि आप वापस आ जाते हो 2 साल में, वो हो चुका था। तो ही कोई रीज़न नहीं है कि वो एक नो वॉयलेंस कुछ क्रिएट करेंगे बोल के। क्योंकि जो
Exactly.
आदमी वापस
When a
ऑलरेडी आने
person,
वाला है।
yeah, when a person is going to come back, why should he make a problem and get stuck there?
करेक्ट।
Okay,
And he
now,
also know, he was saying that I will come in 1 or 2 months. My all paperwork is going through. I will come.
okay, how is your mother right now? Is your mother okay? Is your mother fine?
See, as you know, yesterday was Bakri, so
Hmm.
nothing happened in my home.
Hmm.
Nothing happened. Whole day she was crying, she was missing. I cannot explain her pain. I was in Hyderabad. I came only because of this thing happened. My mother was all alone here in village.
Hmm.
So I came from Hyderabad to Bihar.
Okay. Now, here, I want you to say in Hindi, I want you to say in Hindi to the Indian government, to the Indian embassy, to the Indian media. You say in Hindi. And then after that, I will ask you to give a message to Al Turki, Al Tasnim Oman in English. So speak from your heart. They will hear this message, and every Indian who is there will share this message. So in Hindi, you say to the people in Hindi, requesting them what you actually want. Say it to the Indian government, say it to the Indian ministers, say it to all your Indian brothers and sisters. What do you want to say?
आप सभी को, जो लोग ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते, हाय। मैं बस इतना कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो भी लोग ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, जो भी लोग मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं, करंट गवर्नमेंट में बीजेपी, कांग्रेस, ऑल अदर गवर्नमेंट, ऑल यू नो ऑफिशियल्स लोग जितने भी हैं, आईएएस, आईपीएस, आईएफएस, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेयर, जो भी लोग मदद कर सकते हैं, वो मेरे पापा को वापस लाने के लिए कुछ करें। वो बहुत पीसफुल इंसान थे और उनका टाइम भी ओवर हो चुका था। ही वाज़ सपोज्ड टू कम। वो वापस आना चाहते थे। तो लोग मैं मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो वापस आ जाएँ सही सलामत। ऐसी वीडियो देखना, अपने जिन्होंने आपको बनाया, जिन्होंने आपको अपना यू नो वो लेबर हैं, एक लेबर अगर अपने बच्चे को आर्किटेक्ट, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर बनाता है, तो समझ सकते हैं क्या उस पे बीतती है, वो कैसे करके बनाता है। और कोई भी हैं जो मदद कर सकते हैं, प्लीज़, प्लीज़ उनको सेफ़ली इंडिया लाने में मदद करें।
Okay. I want you to speak in English to the management of Al Turkey Enterprises LLC, that is Al Turkey Al Tasnim Oman. If the owner is watching right now, okay, the owner I heard is Omani or Indian, half Omani, I do not know, okay? But if they are watching this video right now in English, what is your request to them? What is your request to the Omani police, to the Omani ruler? What is your request to them?
Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. See, I don't know what happened there, uh, what all misunderstanding is there, what all protest was there. I don't want to get, uh, into all those things. I just want to request each and every person from Oman authorities, police, company, owners, company management. I just want my father to come back to India safely. You know, it feels like my family is like really in mental trauma. You know, I just want him to come to India safely. I believe he was not involved in all those things, whatever charges you guys are like putting on him, because he was already supposed to come back. He was also knowing whenever we used to talk to him, he used to be in his room. So I just want to request everyone from my heart, please help us. Please help us. Please help my family to get out of all these issues and send my father safely to India. Thank you.
Okay, Asif, I appreciate your trust in trusting me to give this message. I will do my best. I will also request certain members of the Indian government whom I'm in touch with. I will share this video
Thank
with
you.
them, and
Thank
sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, sincerely, without wishing anyone any bad. See, naturally, human beings are good people. It's just that sometimes
Correct.
when politics or money or corruption comes in, problems can take place. I believe, looking at your father's image, looking at your sincerity, I believe your father is a good man. I believe there has been a misunderstanding because it was madness, it was chaos. And I strongly believe that if there is someone who's watching this message right now, they will make sure that your father is sent home. And I personally request the Omani government, the Omani authorities, whomsoever, even members of this company, Al Turki Enterprise, please, at least a phone call
Yeah,
to
we
this,
haven't got a single call
yeah,
also.
just a phone call to Asif Raza, to his, from the father to the son, just a phone call that he is okay, that everything is fine, and that he'll come back. I request the Omani government, I request the members of the company Al Turki Enterprises, please, to Turki Al Tasnim Oman, just a phone call from a father to a son, just telling him he is okay, he's fine. If they can have a video call, that'll be great. They just want to come back home to be united and for them to continue with their lives. Asif, I really thank you for trusting me.
Thank you
I
so
hope
much for
from the
you
bottom of
too.
my heart that this problem will be sorted out. Okay?
I appreciate what you did. Because of your video only, we came to know about this thing. Like we are
No
not
problem.
so much like in we were not knowing also about what happened on that day. It made us very we were so much afraid after seeing the video. So thank you
Uh,
for
uh,
uploading. Thank you for
Everything will be okay.
raising
Everything
the
will be
issue.
okay. Right now, immediately as I'm uploading this, I can assure you there will be emails sent to the people I know, and those individuals who I know, they will make sure there will be a response. I'll also get them in touch with you. So be strong, and I'll keep you updated. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Take care. Take care.